friend got a house. We are going to check the place out, clean up, and set up the place. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, guys. So it's snowing. I'm sure you can see that it is really snowing, and so friend got a house. We are going to check the place out, clean up, and set up the place. I'm probably just move. I think we're going to be moving today. I'm not pretty sure, but we're just going to clean up the house and see what we need to put in the house. Okay guys, so I'm in the car. You can see boxes and boxes of stuff. I'm in the car. I'm just waiting for them to keep loading the car, but I think the car is already full. So we're just going to go with what we have. The place is about 7 minutes to 10 minutes drive from where we currently stay, but we're just going to clean up, set up, and I don't know, like I said, probably move tonight, probably sleep there this night, I don't know, but whatever they say, they are the bosses, so I'm just going to be following. I'm going to try to vlog the entire process. I'm going to try anyways, because I don't know how I'm going to be vlogging while cleaning. I'm not on my tripod. I'm too lazy to go back into the house to get my tripod because my boxes and my personal stuff are still in the house, so I don't have my tripod here. I'm just going to make do with what I have. If I can vlog, fine. If I cannot, fine. If you guys actually want a house tour, I'm going to do a house tour. So we are about to move. So guys, stay tuned, don't go anywhere, keep watching. Okay, so guys, we are here. I'm just going to come out of the car and carry things I can carry, because most of the things here are pretty heavy. Okay. Slowly. So guys, this is the entrance of the house. Guys, so this is me trying to clean. Not really trying to clean, I'm actually cleaning. The place is actually clean, but it's a normal thing when you move into a house. You just clean it, even if it's clean, even if it's super clean, you just do surface cleaning. So this is me trying to take care of the kitchen. I couldn't film the entire process, so I had to just beg my husband to film this part for me. Guys, remember I mentioned that it was going to be hard for me to vlog and clean because I forgot my tripod, but there's a whole lot going downstairs. They tried to set up the TV, and I'm done cleaning the kitchen. Like, I think I'm done cleaning the kitchen. I'm supposed to come clean the rooms, and not really clean, just to wipe up the walls dirty. If there's, gosh, I just climbed the stairs and I'm just waiting. So I just had some chips and chicken, and I'm taking Pepsi. I'm so full, like I didn't chew the chips because I was hungry. I literally swallowed it. Like I didn't chew properly. I literally swallowed it. So I'm just sipping Pepsi and waiting for them to, set up the TV, and they are sure that it's not going to rip or it's not going to fall. Then I'm going to get back to cleaning. Guys, keep watching. Guys, so the TV is set up, and you see the way my husband just stood. Just did a button. So this TV is set up, the bar stools are also set up. This is where the kitchen is. There are curtains everywhere. So the truth of the matter is, this space actually was supposed to be the living room, and this is where the TV was supposed to be. The chairs were actually like behind the kitchen, but we're looking for how to manage space and not to get, not to get people uncomfortable, especially when cooking, because hey, we'll definitely have non-Nigerian friends who may not really be so cool with our kind of food. So you can see everywhere is still a bit scattered. So we were just thinking, and thankfully, a friend actually suggested that we set the living room, or we put the couches around here. So this space was actually the dining, for the original setting of the house. This space here was actually the dining space, and this was the living room space. So now this is now the living room space, and this is going to be the dining space. So there's a lot of space to walk around here, and we also have space for the kitchen and the bar stools without any interference of any sort. So I'll still keep you guys. So guys, we've been waiting for the mattresses, and the mattresses are here. Okay. Yay! He's here! He's here! He's here! Not all. Supreme mattress. 1, 2, 3. Okay.
Just place it.
So we are pretty much done. Well, not really done. I think it just remains the setting up the mattresses in all the rooms. So I'm actually tired. I'm going to end this vlog here, and yes, I'll just end this vlog here. So I'm just going to go join them, set up the mattress, and we'll go back to the old house and pick up our stuff, because we still have our bags there, as I said at the beginning of this video. So I'll just show you guys what the room looks like after setup, and after that I'm just going to end the vlog there, or I'll just end it here. So just in case I end it here, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, comment and share with your friends. I'll see you all in my next video. Do have a fab day ahead. Bye guys. Let me know if you want to see a house tour. Bye guys. So guys, the bed has been set, and I think we're pretty much done with whatever it is we need to set in the house. Is just to get our stuff, set up the pantry, put stuff in the pantry, and arrange our clothes and dresses in the closet. I'll see you guys in my next video. I'm pretty tired. I'm sure you can hear it from my voice. I just want to sleep. I just want to sleep. Bye, guys.